tell them a little about it. So, कुछ तो लड़ाई चल रहा है इधर. Please excuse me for talking in Hindi with my buddies. Huh? That's what I want you to be comfortable. तो आप लोग जैसा आपको सेटअप करना आप कर लो एक बार. अभी आपको अगर ठीक है तो बोलो. फ्लैश उनको फोटो लेने दो ना मेरा प्लीज. So फोटो कैसे आएगा फिर? So please excuse me. So basically, thank you very much. Accepting the honor is not something I would have even discussed. It's really an honor. The pleasure is all mine because Australia has been a continent, a country, a place, a tourist destination for me since I was a child. I don't know if you'll believe it. I've traveled all over the world since I was 6 months old, and Australia was always on the list. And last year I got to get associated with Tourism Queensland, and I got to see Queensland a lot. And I knew that there was this special honor called Friend of Australia, and I was secretly hoping that I would get it somehow. I didn't know what I had to do, but they've been kind enough to bestow it upon me. I'm finally a friend of Australia. I call myself the best friend of India. You know, they've gotten it wrong. I am a best friend. And now I'm going, day after tomorrow I leave, and I'm gonna see Australia the way people can only dream of seeing it for the second time, and it's one of my favorite countries. I really feel it's so similar to India in so many ways. You know, the people are so nice, they're so warm, they're so loving, they love their food, they love their life, you know, they love their experiences, and it's very similar to India in that way. So I really find myself quite at home when I'm there, and I'm very excited to be going for the second time, and I'm so happy that you chose me as the first Bollywood face, and I'm very, very proud of myself. I feel like I've achieved something.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And
maybe present the.
Yes.
Yes. Let's do this.
Yeah.
Sorry. Oh. I'm fine. I'm really fine. No, you can hold it up. क्या हुआ?
Left to right. One.
Oh, we are lovely smile. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Solo weekends. I was at home in the middle of the night and I stepped on a glass and it blasted under my foot. So I've got a really long, deep cut on my foot. In fact, I have to go to the doctor now to like change dressings. But it's very painful and it's the worst thing. I'm so uncomfortable. I'm not able to sleep properly at night, and like I'm very dependent on somebody to like help me walk and everything.
You'll be fine.
Yeah, but it's not for sympathy. I'm just explaining what is happening. But yeah, it's very irritating and very uncomfortable. But I'm fine. I'm fine. That's what the doctor said. Should we give you like? Should we let it heal on its own? You'll have a scar. And I was like, I love battle scars, so I'm very happy. Please. But it'll take a few days. It'll take a few days.
So what made you choose Pariniti Chopra and not anyone else for this?
Well, she has a great background, and we knew that she had been to Australia. We knew that she loved it, and we looked, and we thought, and we heard, and it could be only her. So we had this in plans for quite a while.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
We did.
You guys kept it from
Let me just add
Yes.
to what the consul general just said. She is truly an Australian. You know, Australians are warm, welcoming, inviting, extremely down to earth. You know, that's what makes her a perfect mate, as I would say, and not a friend or a best friend of
Best friend,
Australia.
best friend.
So how do you take this praise as? The praise
I feel really good. Honestly, I mean, even if it wasn't for this honor, like I said, I find myself to be very connected to Australia. Like even before I went, I mean, I can share this with you, but the first time I ever went to Australia, I actually did a Sashtang Pranam when I came out of the airport, because it was one location that I had been waiting to go, and I travel a lot. You know, I try and see at least 4 to 5 new countries every year. I am that person. But Australia was one of those places which I was just waiting to go, because I'd heard so much about it. I researched so much. And so when I went there, it was like meeting a star. You know, it was like, you know, I've only seen you on TV, I've only seen you in pictures, and now we're meeting in person. That's what I felt when I went there. So I just feel that I feel very loved over there, honestly. So I'm very happy that I have this
And
special honor.
you're now going to travel to the spiritual center of Australia, which
Yes.
is the Ayers Rock in Uluru.
Yeah, I'm going to one of the coolest places called the Ayers Rock in Australia, which again I've only seen in pictures. I haven't seen it in person, but I'm going to be there. I'm going to be, you know, we're going to be taking some lovely pictures and spending some time there. And they really treat us so well when we go there, and even me and my team. So we're very, very excited to be going and eat lots of amazing food.
I have questions and
Yes.
Any
Exciting questions. Sunil,
All right.
thank you.
No questions? Any?
I think they're going to
Sure.
leave it for this thing.
What is your plan as in what would you said you would be traveling there for tomorrow, so what is their way to do like?
Plan is to first make it across all the airports in one piece, because I don't know how I'm going to walk. But the plan honestly is to not even visit Australia, but to really experience it. To really know what it feels like to live there, as well as being a tourist there, you know. And these people are helping me. They've created an amazing itinerary for us. You know, we're going to be from helicopters to the Gold Coast to the Ayers Rock to a sky point. Whale watching, which
Dolphin experience.
I've been wanting to do for. I'm a
Surfing.
water baby. Yeah, surfing. I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff, and it's all the stuff that I love. You know.
short doing all this and it will be promoted. Correct if I'm wrong.
I mean, we want you all back in India and all over the world to know what it's like to visit Australia. So I'm going to be doing my best to market my experiences.
You'll be the face for that. You'll be the face for Australian tourism, right?
I think that they should be answering.
Yeah, why not?
Like-
I mean, he's got such a great
He's
following
the
on social
Bollywood
media.
face for Australia, friend of
Yes.
Australia.
I'm a friend of Australia and Bollywood face of Australia is what service.
10 million
I'm
followers
just-
on
Yes.
Twitter, Facebook, and
Yes.
Instagram. Why not? I mean,
Yeah.
she's
think
going to
they love it.
showcase why there's truly nothing like Australia.
There really is. There
Uh,
really is. And you really feel like you're so cut off from the world but yet so connected, because there's so much love and warmth from people. It's really a beautiful place to visit. So all of you must. And once I put up all my pictures and my videos from there, you'll really feel like visiting, I think.
परिणीति नॉर्मली आपका अगर फेवरेट डेस्टिनेशन की बात करें तो कहाँ जाना आप पसंद करती है? फिलहाल तो आप अकेली जा रही हैं यहाँ पर promotion
जी,
सारी चीज़ों के लिए।
जी,
और
जी।
अगर किसी के साथ जाना हो तो कौन होगा जैसे आप?
I mean, different चीज़ें, different trips में different experiences होते हैं. मैं अभी पिछले हफ्ते अपनी एक हॉलीडे से आई हूँ. मैं बहुत डाइविंग ट्रिप्स लेती हूँ क्योंकि मैं स्कूबा डाइवर हूँ, तो मैं बहुत डाइविंग ट्रिप्स लेती हूँ. तो a lot of islands. जब लास्ट ईयर मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया गई थी तो मैंने गोल्ड कोस्ट में ग्रेट बैरियर रीफ में स्कूबा डाइविंग की थी, जो बहुत अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस था. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द हॉलीडे. कभी कभी आप बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ जाते हैं, कभी आप फैमिली के साथ जाते हैं, कभी आप गैंग के साथ जाते हैं, कभी आप गर्लफ्रेंड्स के साथ जाते हैं. यू नो, आई थिंक डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंसेस हैव डिफरेंट पीपल. इस बार मैं अपनी टीम के साथ जा रही हूँ.
परिणीति आप ट्विटर पर काफ़ी रहती हैं और यहाँ पर हाल ही में हार्दिक पांड्या को लेकर काफ़ी
हाँ, ये मैंने भी सुना
आपको
आज
single-
दोपहर को ही.
आपको सिंगल रहना नहीं देना चाहते हैं सारे लोग, वो उसके बारे में जानना चाहते हैं क्या पूरा?
आई मीन वेदर मैं सिंगल हूँ या नहीं वो डिस्कशन नहीं है, बट मैं हार्दिक पांड्या को डेफिनेटली डेट नहीं कर रही हूँ, ये मैं बोल सकती हूँ. ये भी मैंने आज दोपहर को ही सुना और मुझे 2-3 दोस्तों ने भेजा. मैंने कहा वाह, ये कब हुआ मेरी
Her
लाइफ में.
recent love is Australia.
My only love is Australia. In a relationship with.
Always, yeah.
Parinidhi, you would be teaming up with Arjun again.
Yes.
I believe, and something that you can talk about.
Yeah, we are already in preps. Arjun has started workshopping with Dibakar. I am going to be starting Golmaal promotions now and I have to release Golmaal. So I'll get into the workshops immediately after coming back from this trip. But yeah, I'm very excited. I think it's going to be an intense film, a physically challenging film, a mentally challenging film, I'm very excited to get into it. And after that, we're doing a light film, Namaste Canada. So I'm going to be. We were just discussing that we're going to be spending the next 1 year together. He's so lucky, you know. I told him that he's going to spend 1 year with me. But yeah, we're very excited because I really get along with him. He's one of my closest friends in the industry. So I'm very excited that he's going to be my co-star.